Automating your weekly lawn care routine without the exhausting backbreaking labor, noisy gas engines, or tedious burial of perimeter boundary wires usually means transitioning to a next-generation robotic mower. The Segway Navimow i110N Robot Lawn Mower redefines automated yard maintenance by combining satellite-precise RTK navigation, AI-driven computer vision, and completely wire-free virtual boundary mapping into a whisper-quiet, weather-resistant package. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its effortless 2.0 dual positioning system, RTK+Vision, paired with Vision Fence AI obstacle avoidance. Instead of spending hours burying fragile physical boundary cables around your yard or struggling with random bounce robotic mowers that miss spots, the Navimow uses a satellite antenna and onboard AI camera to map your yard with centimeter-level precision. The built-in Vision Fence camera actively scans a 140-degree field of view, using advanced AI algorithms to identify and smoothly navigate around more than 150 common yard obstacles, from pets, toys, and garden hoses to patio furniture and rocks, without missing a beat. Performance and everyday versatility streamline yard management for properties up to 1/4 acre, $1,000 $2. The unit features a 7.1-inch cutting width with manually adjustable cutting heights ranging from 2 to 3.6 inches, tackling slopes up to 30%, 16 degrees, with ease. Powered by a 5.1Ah battery, it runs for up to 120 minutes on a single charge before autonomously returning to its charging station, shifting through systematic parallel paths for a neat, manicured stripe look. Operation is completely managed through the Navimow app, allowing you to set virtual boundaries, map multiple zones, schedule specific cutting times, and receive real-time updates. Best of all, it operates at an exceptionally quiet 58 dBA and holds an IP66 waterproof rating, meaning it can quietly maintain your lawn and auto-suspend operations during heavy rain. Things to consider before you buy. Because it relies heavily on clear line-of-sight satellite positioning, RTK, you will need to properly place the included GNSS antenna in an open area with minimal sky obstruction to ensure flawless signal tracking. Additionally, while a handle's standard inclines nicely, you'll want to verify that steep grades near your dock or property lines do not exceed its 30% maximum gradient limit. So who is this really for? This robotic mower is an absolute home run for homeowners, busy professionals, and yard enthusiasts who want a pristine, professionally striped lawn without ever having to touch a gas push mower or bury messy boundary wires. If you are looking for a commercial-grade ride-on tractor for massive multi-acre estates or a tiny manual reel mower, this advanced autonomous system is specifically engineered for residential yards up to 1/4 acre. Is it worth the money? If you value true wire-free virtual mapping, smart AI-driven obstacle avoidance, multi-zone management, whisper-quiet operation, and hands-free weekly scheduling wrapped in a dependable IP66 waterproof frame, it is a premier, game-changing investment for your property.